What's the kitty cat's name? Kinda, yeah, that's kind of Pantera. Who's your friend that came to see you today? Lou didn't really come, did it? It was just Bandit. Oh, was Lou outside? Did you see Lou outside? Who was with Bandit or Lou? Was it Mark? Who was with them? Was it Mark? I know. Was it Mark or was it Evelyn? Was it Mark or Evelyn with them? Who was with them? Hey, Veeshee. Who was with Bandit and Lou? Was it Mark or Evelyn? Do you know? Who was with them? They're not out there right now. Come here. They're not out there right now. Come here. Hey, I'm just talking to you about what happened. They're not out there right now. It's too cold, buddy. They're inside. They're at their home. Hey. Who are they with? Were they with Mark? Were they with Mark or were they with Evelyn? Who was Bandit with? Who was he with? Was he with Mark? Who were they with when they were out there? They're not out there right now, buddy. They're not out there. I'm talking about earlier today. Do you know who they were with? Were they with Mark or Evelyn? Evelyn? Were they with Evelyn? Or Mark? Evelyn? I think they were with Mark. Evelyn? They were with Evelyn? Or did you even see who they were with? They were with Evelyn? Oh, I'm supposed to feed you. You're doing a great job talking. Say, talk Mark. Mark. Talk Mark. Mark. I know, but I want to hear you say Mark. I know. Okay, with Evelyn at the river, fine. Can you talk Mark? Can you talk Mark? Mark. Talk. Oh, that's a pretty good Mark. That's pretty good. You're very smart, buddy. Mark. Yeah, pretty good. I think I'm gonna eat the rest of it.